Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our Air 5 with Sidelights. This is our Air 5 steel tube door that we offer. This door has Loy glass in it. These are all true divide glass, which means these are individually cut pieces of glass put into a square, and not one piece of glass and these linoleums stuck on it, okay, which is the gigantic difference in how it looks. This is an Air 5 single door that we bolted up 2 sidelights to them. We're going to try to stock more and more of these doors as much as we can. I mean, get goosebumps every time I even look at these things. It's unbelievable. I love them. So this door basically has holes inside the jamb. So when the door is closed, you can't see the screw holes that allow you to bolt these the sidelights together. You can do a single sidelight. You can do 2 sidelights. You can custom make them however you want them. You can even put kick plates on the bottom if you like, which some people do. A couple features on these doors. This door has a slanted sidelight, so no water will accumulate there if water hits it. And also on both sides. And we're gonna flip this around and show you guys the back end of this in a second. But this door comes in black. Other colors are definitely available. You can also make the side lights operable, so you can have the side lights open, the glass will open, you can put a screen in it if you want to ventilate the house. The only difference is the look kind of changes when you have the bars and then you have a glass behind it that operates. It doesn't look the same, but some people like it, and just an option that's just putting it out there if you guys like it. I'm gonna flip this around and show you guys the back end of this. Alright guys, so we're on the back side of the Air 5 door. Dylan's going to take some close-ups of the push piece that we use. This is unbelievable. I love it. I mean, it's so beautiful. You also, on a custom order, you can also have the option if you want to do this on the exterior part or the interior part. On our in-stocks, we always put them on the interior part. It's just how we made them, and we just kept it like that. I mean, there isn't much I can talk about this door. It's just freaking beautiful, and hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkysIrondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677.